Hey guys, welcome back to the Wood Metal Workshop. I'm Kent. Tip of the day, chip brushes. If you got shop projects to paint where the paint doesn't have to be perfect, where it just has to be adequate and cover it, use a chip brush. They're really cheap. If you order them online, they're less than 50 cents a piece. You can do one coat and you can toss it in the garbage, grab another one, you start to do your next coat. Not to mention they're good around the mill, the lathe, the bandsaw, any place you need to clean stuff off, brush stuff off. Chip brushes.